Hello everyone. So we have created 4 roles as per the project, that is automate Ubuntu server hardening. Now the next is once the role is created, how do we use it in the playbook? So coming back here, so I'm in this location. Here we have all the roles. You have to come a step back, and in this location you have to create your playbook. So vi name of the playbook, let me give site.yml. You can give any name, it is up to you. Start with 3 dashes, enter, -name, automate Ubuntu server hardening, host, let me take Ansible client 2. I'm taking only one server, become yes, and then you have to use the roles keyword, enter, and then you have to specify all the roles. So we have already taken one more session. So from here I will get the name of all the roles. This is my first role, that is user underscore create. The second role was timezone underscore set. Third one is firewall underscore config, and the fourth one, that is related with SSH. So this is the way you can use the role in a playbook. So let me save and come out from here, and everything seems fine. So before to execute this playbook, let me check the syntax. Ansible dash playbook -- syntax check, and the name of the playbook. So I'm getting some error. Let's see. It has basically checked all the roles syntax as well. Now it is saying that there is an issue with this one, that is related with the SSH, and let me edit this file and let's see where is the problem. So there is a problem with the space. You have to start like this way. Okay, let me save and come out, and again let me check the syntax. This time I didn't get any error except this warning. So everything seems fine. So we are good to execute our playbook. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.